doing that with these folks, man.
You want me to grab anything?
Oh, man, you good. These folks trying to make a nigga get out of the goddamn plane, man. Where that pilot at, bro? Him. This man making me get out of the plane, man. That shit crazy, man. These dicks. These bitch ass niggas. These fucking dicks. That nigga lame, man. You too. This lame, man. That nigga making me get out of the plane, bro. This nigga, bro. This nigga ain't, man. This nigga is so fucking lame, man. So fucking lame, man. You racist bastard. Fucking. Man. Hoe ass nigga. Shit lame, bro. Huh? My phone? Yeah. Yeah. Man, I left. Oh, man. Sucker. Sucker. My motherfucking food. Dang.
I don't got to tell you that.
Where that pilot at, man? I want y'all to see this nigga face, man. Anybody flying jet, don't ever fly with this nigga, bro. Ever. This nigga ain't P. This nigga's not P, man. He ain't P either. Sucker. It ain't on there?
Can we can you answer that?
This that nigga been waiting for a nigga to get out of the plane so he can walk on now. Maybe 3 hours.
Why you ain't big out? When he got out the plane, he supposed to turn the plane on the left. Why you haven't left when he gone? He
wasn't trying to leave.
He was gone 30 minutes.
He wasn't trying to leave.
I done forgot he gone.
Remember he not outside the plane, but we got here.
You called me. Right, we were just sitting there.
We gonna hold shit, man.
When I went on the phone, they been gone. You still there? We still sitting here. Me and Gunna just started talking. We just talking about other shit. We done forgot that we still sitting here. Now done been 20, 30 minutes.